Here comes Thomas. I'm the #1 engine. Whoa! All engines go. Coming through. Down the hills and round the wall. All engines go.
Cronk's crossing Conundrum. Woohoo! We're making excellent time. We'll get this dragon to the Renaissance Fair ahead of schedule, especially with the more efficient and new Cronk's Crossing. Having the loops instead of the old intersection means no more traffic jams.
Hey, Diesel, is that your second delivery today already?
Yep, this new Cronk's Crossing is so fast. See you later, Bruno. Diesel, knock knock. Who's there? Ivan. He's supposed to say Ivan who?
Guess he was going too fast to enjoy your joke.
Oh.
Woohoo!
Oh, my stars! Look up! Thomas! Bruno! That was quite a surprise. You're early.
It's the new Cronk's Crossing. It makes everything much faster.
Yes. Well, we aren't ready for the dragon yet. Now we're ready for the dragon. Thank you. Behold!
Come on, Bruno. Let's get another delivery. Yeah, we don't want to be dragging our wheels. Good one. Chugga chugga choo choo.
Why, if it isn't the #1 engine and the illustrious Bruno.
Illustrious means that people know you and like you.
Things are moving fast, boys. Maybe you can help me.
Absolutely. What do you need?
The engines are moving so quickly through that new Cronk's Crossing, they're getting done faster than I can set up the next delivery.
Hey, take it easy. We're napping over here.
All right, you can go back to sleep now, lads. Bruno, can you remember who takes what to where?
You mean, can I memorize every single detail of everybody's schedules? Of course I can.
OK, then. Nia is taking cows to McColl's farm.
Mia, Cow's farm.
Diesel has the cars with dinosaur bones for the museum.
Diesel, Dinosaur Bones, and Vicarstown Museum.
Diesel, is that?
Hey, Diesel. Knock, knock. It's Ivan. Diesel? You were saying, Toby?
Yes. The other car is beach chairs for Norranby for Kana.
Kana Beach Chairs, Norranby Beach.
Oh, she took... Never mind. You two have the sweet delivery of flour and sugar for Reginald's Bakery.
Thomas and me, flour and sugar, Reginald's Bakery.
Which one is me? This one? Oh, got it.
Everyone's going so fast. Well, I have more cars to shunt, and it looks like there's just the troublesome trucks left. So, there with you. Thanks for your help.
All right, Bruno, let's get these deliveries on track. Troublesome trucks, you're with me today. Wakey, wakey.
What?
Let's get these supplies to the bakery, Bruno.
Wait a second. These are dinosaur bones. This is Diesel's delivery for Vicarstown Museum. That's not right. If this is here, what's got delivered to the museum? What if everything got delivered to the wrong place? How did this happen?
It's a mystery. And who do you call when there's a mystery, partner?
Detective Bruno at your service.
And I'm Agent 001. OK, Detective Bruno, let's get these bones to the museum and figure this out.
Look! The beach chairs were supposed to go with Kana to Norumby. I will make a note of that. Get it?
Got it. We will come back for them, Detective. Keep an eye out for more problems.
Those are pretty bad puns. That was great. That was a good one.
Beach chairs at the farm, dinosaur bones for a bakery, and a museum full of cows.
Maybe they thought it was a museum. Ah! Good one.
That was a good one. So many problems. Where do we start, Agent 001?
Let's swap these dinosaur bones for cows and get them to McCall's farm. Well, Detective Bruno, we know everything that went wrong, but did any deliveries go right today? Taking letters and packages down the rail. My favourite thing is to deliver the mail. Hey, Thomas. Hey, Bruno.
It's Percy, right? I'm Detective Bruno. This is my associate, Agent 001. Mind if we ask you some questions?
Sure, detectives. I'll answer your questions.
Whistling, humming. You seem happy. You must not know that today's deliveries were all wrong. All but yours.
Well, I've been taking my time today. Instead of going through Cronk's crossing, I took a detour through the meadows to look at the butterflies.
Didn't go through Cronk's crossing.
Sorry about the mix-ups, but I still have deliveries to do.
A likely story.
Come on, Detective. Let's get these chairs to Norumby Beach. Many wrong deliveries, but Percy's was perfect. What's the difference?
Wait. Percy's the only one who didn't go through Cronk's crossing.
You're right, but everything here looks okay. Want to take a break? We can go to the Lookout Mountain waterfall.
I appreciate it, but I don't want to couple up right now.
Don't feel like being touched right now? Fair enough.
Yes, I like things to go smoothly. The noise, the mixed-up deliveries.
Gotcha, yeah. I didn't have the situation either. Well, take your time, Bruno.
Take your time. Take your time. That's it! Everyone was racing through Cronk's crossing.
Going fast because it's so efficient. Maybe they were going too fast.
We all went too fast and accidentally took the wrong deliveries. We have to tell the others. But we should deliver these chairs first, Agent 001.
Right, Detective Bruno.
At the old Cronk's crossing, we got stuck in traffic jams.
And it threw off the schedule because it made everyone late. But now everyone is so fast.
We're getting ahead of the schedule. We all grabbed the wrong carts.
And that led to the mixed-up deliveries. So what do we do?
I'm glad you asked. We need to hit the brakes.
If we slow down a little when we come through Cronk's crossing,
We won't go so ahead of schedule and avoid making mistakes at Knapford Station.
Let's slow down and do what? Check in with each other about deliveries, like we used to when we were stuck here.
or chase butterflies. Nia, look, over there.
Or take a break and say hello. Or tell a joke, like knock knock.
Who's there?
It's Ivan.
Ha! Ivan who?
Ivan working on the railroad.
Good good one, Detective Bruno. Nia, Connor, wait up.
Well, another case solved. Great job, Detective Bruno. You too, Agent 001.